Hello everyone, I am 8-Bit and today I will be showing you how to make an RPG on Scratch. So first, you want to make a new project. Now you can use whatever program you want for a sprite. It's totally up to you. Since this is the first video, I don't have any sprites on me, so we're just going to use this little Scratch Cat here. So now first, you want to use, for every RPG that you make, you want to at least have a move set. So you want to make a when flag is clicked. Now you want to do if else. Oh, and before you do the if else, make sure to do a forever loop. So whenever this is clicked, it will forever do that. So now you want to make 4 of these for each of the 4 directions. Alright, now that we have that, let's go here. Now let's say you press, maybe you press W. Then you want to have the entire layout as WASD. So up, left, down, right, WASD. I don't know how many parts I'll put this into, but it probably won't be a lot. Oh, I didn't mean to put that. Let's do S, alright. And then finally, you're gonna put D. Alright. Right, now we have a basic script. Make sure to always save, because you'll never know if you close out the tab or maybe your laptop or computer dies. That'll be a bad thing. Alright, so make sure to save often. Now, let's say if W is pressed, W key is pressed, then set costume. Let's make it so he has a little walking animation. Then you do costume 2. Then you should be good. That might happen where the character just instantly goes to the next one, so you have to make another wait 0.2. There we go. Now it looks kind of smooth. Then you want to duplicate it for all of these, unless you're using pixel art, which then make it defined in the costumes tab. So obviously W will be up, and then A will be left, S will be down, D will be right. Now that you have all of these, now what if what if any of these keys are not being moved? Well, then you can just make it go to costume 1, or maybe you want a specific idle animation. Then you can put it there. Alright, now we want to go to variables and then name it direction. Now you're going to make it for all sprites. So now you have a direction. Alright, now you're going to go to control, if, a forever loop, and then a when flag is clicked. And then you're going to do if W, you can copy and paste the key, whatever key you assigned it to is pressed, and then you can just copy and paste it to the if then loop. now on my screen, I copied and pasted it a lot of times, or duplicated it, sorry. And then you want to copy this down here, so A as D. Alright. I usually make simple scripts, so hopefully this is simple enough. Alright, now you're gonna set, when W is clicked, you're gonna set the direction to up. When A is pressed, you want to set the direction to left. Again with the S down. So you're gonna grab the set direction block. Sorry if I didn't make that clear, and then you're gonna set the direction. So W is up, A is left, S is down, and D is right. I'll give you guys a moment so you guys can look at my screen and see if there's anything wrong. Alright, that should be enough. So now that we have a simple script, but now we want to get this cat moving. So when we do that, we're going to go back to when our W key is pressed script. Now this direction script would be usually good for if you're using pixel animation, but we're not right now because we have a single 2D cat. So you want to take out the direction only if you are not using pixel art. But if you're using the Scratch Cat like me, then then don't use the direction. Only use the directions if you are using pixel art. So now when the W key is pressed, you want to go to motion, change Y. So we're going to change the Y by 4. Alright, now we're gonna go to D and then change the Y by -4. Alright, now we're gonna go to A, -4, and then change X. Oh, my bad. Alright, so for S, you're gonna change Y by -4. I'm so sorry. And then for A and D, you're gonna change X. So for D, change X by 4. For A, change X by -4. And for W, change Y to 4. And for S, change it to -4. Alright, save it. Let's test it out. Now we have a moving Scratch Cat. Nice. We have a moving Scratch Cat. Hopefully we have enough time. I'll make a second video because I don't know how much time I have, but I'll make a second video and we'll continue on from right here. Bye!